We're sitting in a potential species-rich floodplain meadow. Floodplain meadows as a habitat are extremely rare across Europe. It's a European designated habitat, and in the UK we think we have about 1,350 hectares remaining. That's an area that's smaller than the size of Heathrow Airport in the whole of the country. So it's an incredibly rare habitat. Worcestershire, we think, has about 10% of this resource, which is a really fantastic county. This site could contribute significantly towards the UK targets for the restoration of this habitat. Some of the key indicator species, such as the great bonnet, which is just here, are present on the site in quite large numbers, which suggests to us that the soil water levels are good. There are other species on site that suggest that with a small amount of restorative management, this could be one of the national species-rich floodplain meadows. So this is a really exciting project that the Wildlife Trust are undertaking to contribute to our national biodiversity losses.